Creamy and indulgent, this keto tiramisu has all the flavor of the classic Italian dessert and only 4 grams net carbs per serving. Want to make some with me? Let's go! We'll start by whisking together 2 cups of almond flour, half a cup of granular sweetener, 1/4 cup of unflavored whey protein powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add 2 large eggs, 1 large egg white, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir to combine well and then add 1/4 cup of water to help thin out the batter a little bit. At this point, you should have a smooth batter that is easily scoopable but not pourable. Spread the batter in a large sheet pan and bake 15 to 20 minutes at 325. This nice thin sheet cake takes the place of the ladyfingers from the conventional version. Just cut it into nice thin strips. Now we're going to make a little coffee syrup, which is really just strongly brewed coffee with a little bit of rum added. For the filling, we beat 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream with half a cup of powdered sweetener until it holds stiff peaks. Then we're going to beat 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese until it's super creamy, and we will beat in a few tablespoons of the coffee syrup for flavor. And once we have that all nice and smooth, we're going to fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture until no streaks remain. To assemble our tiramisu, we're going to lay down a layer of our cake strips, and we may have to cut some of them to fit perfectly so that we can cover the full bottom of the pan. Brush the cake generously with some of the coffee syrup, and then you're going to take about half of the mascarpone mixture and spread it all over top. Make sure to spread it evenly and cover it all the way to the edges of the cake. Now we will repeat all of those layers with more strips of cake, more coffee syrup, and the remaining filling. Dust the top of the tiramisu generously with cocoa powder. Grate some dark chocolate over the whole thing. Refrigerate the tiramisu for at least 2 hours to firm up before cutting. And there you have it, my friends. A classic Italian dessert is now low carb and keto friendly. One bite and you'll think you're enjoying the real deal in your favorite Italian restaurant. Questo è buonissimo, as they might say in Italy.